Hello YouTube, this is iPhoneCaseReviewerHD, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a screen protector on your iPhone, or any phone actually. So the first step in doing this is to take off your existing case. So after you've done that, all you have to do is take off the existing screen protector if you have one. I'm going to be taking this one off for the sake of the video. After it's off, just clean it with one of these, the microfiber cloth. You can get one pretty cheap at Amazon. If there's any dirt or anything, just peel it off. Make sure it's super clean so when you put your screen protector on, there won't be any dust or anything. Okay, so once you fully cleaned your phone, you should take out the screen protector that you're putting onto it. Take it out of the whole thing. Take it out of the packet, and there's going to be directions on this. So I'm not sure if you can see this. It says, Step 1, please peel off this mask before application. So what you have to do for this is you just peel this front part off and just make sure you have no dust particles, because that's going to cause air bubbles onto it. Okay, so once you just take this part off. Okay, so after, just leave that to the side and put your screen protector on. So you have to make sure everything matches up, so it's not going to be a problem later on. So it might take a few tries to accomplish, because it's not that easy making the two things meet perfectly. And you shouldn't worry about taking these off and resticking them, because it's not that much of a hassle. They're pretty easy to take off and put back on to the phone. So this is taking a bit longer than I expected, but it's okay. And then you just hold it down like this, because you don't want any air bubbles on it. You just pull each side back. You can use these microfiber cloths to just, as you can see, there's no air bubbles except this one, which I'll probably take off. Yep. So most of the actual air bubbles are gone. Yeah. If you made a mistake, like I made a mistake over here at the corner, you shouldn't worry about that too much, because you can always just pop it up from here, take it off, and reapply. Forgive me if I'm going a bit off the camera. Okay, so now that's on, you just pull everything back, and that's it. So as you look closely, it's installed perfectly. There's no more air bubbles. Now comes the final step in doing this. All you have to do now is to take this, read step 2, it says right here. It says to please peel off the mask after application is completed. That's the second step in this process. So you just it's not that hard to peel it. You just peel it, but you have to make sure that everything lines up after that. Like, there shouldn't be any bubbles, and if there are, just wipe them off with this, and that should do the trick. And if you see any bubbles, like any air bubbles coming up on this, like this one, which is probably caused by dirt or something that got in between them, there's a way you can do that is pretty easy. All you need is some tape. Pretty sure I have some right here. Yeah, right here. You just need some tape, and you just first you rip a piece of tape off of this, and snip it off and put it somewhere. Next part is you peel this up with your fingernail, the side part, and when you do that, you can see it should come off pretty nicely. And while it's off, you use the tape piece that you took off before, and stick it in the middle, and just let it stay there for like a minute or two. And if you see any more, repeat the process for that piece of dust. It's not that easy doing this, because if you want to get a perfect installation, you're going to want to go through this hassle. Then you just put it back on. That's perfect. There's just a small thing here, which I guess this will take care of. Okay, so that's how to apply a screen protector. Thanks for watching this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.